Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hope you had a nice little break. And now we're going to get back to taking a look at some of this Algebra Keystone practice exam. Okay, we'll pick up where we left off. And again, as we go through this, please just give it your best shot. Okay, we're not expecting you to be experts at this right now. We're going to get there. Okay, numero 10. Evaluate the expression 2 equals r raised to t minus 2. All right, all you're doing is substitute these values in. So I have 2 times, instead of r, I'm going to put in 2. And then that's raised to the power of 6 minus 2. Now you can put all that in a calculator, but do the simple math. What's 6 minus 2? Hopefully we're all good with 4. Oop, confusing myself now. I was just ready to tell you guys not to make that little mistake. It's 2 times 2 raised to the 4th. Please do not multiply 2 times 2 first, then raise it to the 4th power. Alright, remember your order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, PEMDAS. We have to do 2 times 2 raised to the 4th. Ta-da! 32. Okay. Here's one of the tricky things you guys have to be aware of. They're going to put answers on there that make sense. Meaning, if you did 2 times 2, got 4, then raised to the 4th power, I believe you get a higher number. Okay, I can't think of it off the top of my head. But just be careful about that, okay? Alright, simplify. Pardon me. Pardon me. Alright. Work inside out the parentheses. Negative 17 plus 22 gives me 5. Okay?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy? How we doing?
I'm doing great.
Oh, sorry about that. That was my good friend coming in to talk to me about the Mets. He's a Mets fan. So, alright, back to here. Inside the parentheses then. Absolute value of 5 is 5. So we got 3. 5 plus 17 minus 22. 5 plus 17 is 22. So 3 times 22 minus 22. 66 minus 22. 44. Okay? Now, again, you guys are allowed to use this on the entire test. Okay? So I can type this exact same thing into here. 3 parentheses, math, right one, ABS, negative 17 plus 22. Get yourself out of the absolute value, plus 17, close it, minus 22. There we go. Guys, get good with this, okay? It will help you greatly. It's a great asset. I want you to be able to do mental math. That's very important. It's going to help you more in life than anything in this class can ever offer. But at the end of the day, this can help you. All right? Cool. Number 12. Up top, you can break this down with square roots. So what perfect square goes into 250? 25 can go in 10 times. What perfect square can go into 40? 4 and 10. Then I have root 2 down low. Take a look. Square root of 25 is 5. And the square root of 4 is 2. Because they're exactly the same, we can reduce it down. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 root 10 over root 2. Now, check this out. It's kind of neat. Square root of 10 over square root of 2. Because they're both in the square roots, we can reduce it down. What's 10 divided by 2? 5. 3 square root of 5. Okay, there's our answer. Now, let me show you guys something else. This is a hard problem. I understand that when you guys are doing this test, your mind's going to be melting fast because you're doing so much math. Look at the original problem. I'm trying to match it up there. The original problem is, parentheses, root 250 minus root 40 divided by root 2. Okay, notice I put parentheses around my top part, put parentheses around my bottom part. Hit enter. 6.7082. Oh man, but like I want to get the correct answer, right? Well guys, check this out. Look at answer A, 3 root 10. I can do 3 square root 10. Does that equal it? No. Okay. Look at B, 3 square root of 5. Oh my gosh, it's the same thing. You can, now you can for problems like this, almost like cheat the test, okay? If you know how to use this. Punch this in, get a decimal approximation. Go through your answers, see which one matches up, okay? Doesn't work all the time, but when it does, we're jackpot. 13, absolute value n minus 6 minus absolute value 2 minus n. Plug in 9 for this. So, 9 minus 6 minus 2 minus 9. First one, 3. Second one, 2 minus 9, negative 7. Absolute value makes it positive. Now notice that this is staying negative, but inside of here it makes it positive. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. We're in good shape. Okay? Alright. Now, what we can do here is we can take a look. You see how they're both raised to the 4th power? Alright? We can do a number of things here. I can actually use this to help me out again. So check this out. 6 to the 4th times 12 to the 4th. You know, it gives me a large number. Let me write this down for a second. Now let's go through your answers. A, 12 times 24. Does that match up to it? Nope. How about this? Nope. How about this? Nope. How about this? Well, it's got to be it. Ta-da! Okay. See how little math I did there? Use those to help you out. Alright, it will help you out greatly. Number 15. Distribute the root 10 in. 9 root 10 plus, because they're both under square roots, we can multiply them together, root 50. Now, you'll notice that I don't have any answers here like that. So, now one thing that can help you out is, can I break down root 10? Hopefully you guys are thinking to yourself, not really. Can I break down root 50? Yep. Alright, so that can break down to become, let's see here, root 25 times root 2. Square root of 25 is 5. So where do I see 9 root 10 plus 5 root 2? Okay. Honestly, the calculator trick that I just showed you guys will work here as well. Do this in your calculator and see which one equals it. Okay. In the problem below, find the error, correct it, explain your correction. Okay, root 12 plus root 13 equals root 25. I cannot add together square roots. So like if I do root 2 plus root 3, the answer is root 2 plus root 3. Okay, we talked about this before in class. You cannot just combine underneath it. So for this one, root 12 plus root 13, you could break down root 12 to become root 4 times root 3. That's all we can do. You can't do anything else. Okay? Just doesn't work that way. Cool. So, a few more here. All right. Anything raised, well, let's take a look here. This 0, because it's power raised to a power, you can multiply the 0 in. What is 6 times 0? 0. What is 7 times 0? 0. What is anything raised to 0 power? Now, you guys are probably all thinking 0. But do me a favor. If you ever get this problem on a test or whatever, pick any number you want. 222. One of my favorite numbers. Raise it to the 0 power. 1. Alright, pick a different number. 3,625. 1. How about this number? 1. Any number raised to the 0 power is 1. Same thing goes for variables. X raised to 0 power is 1. Y raised to 0 power is 1. There you go. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. This is kind of a hard problem to see. 2 over 3. Awesome. X to the 4th over x squared. Cool. Y to negative 4 over y to negative 3. Tubular. Z to negative 3 over z to the 4th. Cowabunga. Okay, so 2 over 3 stays 2 over 3. For the rest of these, we're taking the top minus the bottom. So here, 4 minus 2 is 2. Negative 4 minus negative 3. Negative 4 minus negative 3 minus a negative becomes plus. Negative 4 plus 3, negative 1. Negative 3 minus 4, negative 7. Okay. Any negative exponents, I need to move downstairs, okay? Flip it, in order to get them positive. So these stay up top, 2x squared. The 3 stays down low, but this and this, to make the exponent 1 and an exponent 7, I got to move them downstairs. Y to the first, z to the 7th. Okay? That's a more involved problem. Organization is key. If you are organized, this will not be too bad. Okay? Huzzah. Alright, part C, root 72 minus root 32. Again, you're looking for perfect squares. I know I've been doing a lot of these problems lately. Highly recommend to you guys, if you are taking this keystone, ever doing a problem with square roots, right over to the side. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196. Should you memorize all those? That'd be great if you did. You don't have to. Here's a neat little trick for you. Go to your y equals on your calculator. Type in x squared. Okay? And I'm going to hit second table. Check this out. Look at your y column. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, so on. This will give you every perfect square all the time. It's a beautiful little trick. It'll help you not only in this class, not only in your Algebra Standards test, but on Algebra 2 class, on a pre-calc class, on SATs, on ACTs, on anything math related. Okay? Now, which of these numbers can go into 72? Ta-da! 36. So root 36 times root 2 minus, which of these numbers can go into 32? 16. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 16 is 4. Notice that the root 2 stays the same behind of it. Now, if I asked you guys what's 6x minus 4x, you would say 2x. So what's 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2? 2 root 2. Hooray! Okay. Alright, so we've only made it through 17 problems. Well, a lot, like more than 17 problems for different parts and whatnot. There's plenty more to come, right? And we will be making more videos as we go through it and whatnot. If you ever have any questions, feel free to ask. Again, just keep trying. Very soon in class, we're going to be shutting down everything just to get practice with this, okay? We're going to make you guys such experts in this stuff, you'll be able to impress all of your friends, family, loved ones with all your mathematical knowledge, because nobody's more impressed than that. Come on, guys. All right. So have a wonderful day, and most importantly, good luck. We're all counting on you.